Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for multiple businesses. We'll cover setting up distinct company files, managing separate financial records, and generating individual reports. You'll learn how to efficiently track income and expenses for each entity, ensuring clear financial oversight. This guide will help streamline your accounting processes and maintain organized books for all your ventures. To begin, you'll need to set up a separate company file for each business you manage. For QuickBooks Online, this typically means having individual subscriptions. It's crucial to establish a unique chart of accounts for each entity to prevent commingling funds. Also, ensure each business has its own dedicated bank and credit card accounts for accurate record keeping. When managing daily operations, always record income and expenses directly into the correct company file. Reconcile each business's bank and credit card accounts separately to ensure accuracy. This practice allows you to generate precise profit and loss statements and balance sheets for every entity, providing a clear financial picture for each of your ventures. For advanced management, explore any consolidated reporting features QuickBooks might offer, which can save you time. If your business structure is complex, consulting with an accountant is highly recommended. Always back up each company file independently and regularly. Finally, make it a habit to review your financial data monthly to ensure accuracy and gain valuable insights into each business's performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.